how a computer works. So, now we know what is computer and what kind of computers are there to facilitate us in doing different tasks. But how does it work? Let us see. We know that any machine or device works on instructions being provided and gives us the desired output based on the instructions. Similarly, computer also takes instructions. It takes instructions, digits and letters as its inputs. Then, Central Processing Unit or CPU processes these inputs. Finally, computer presents the processed data as a result or output and displays it through monitor, printer, speakers or projector. Let's understand this with an example. Suppose we need to get the sum of three numbers, 245, 321 and 678 using computer. For this, we provide these three numbers as input to the computer using the keyboard. Then, we instruct computer to provide the sum of these numbers. Computer takes these numbers and the instruction as inputs. Then, these numbers are getting processed in the CPU as per the instruction. And the output or the sum is displayed on the monitor. You can see all these happening in blink of an eye.